Bantu ba Minto karibu. Se mambiri ya lero. Tag your friends. Inchutora akwana. Wonsi narure. Mwanche ya matu konsi. Muntu ne wotambe. Yonsi aso, yonsi asore. Yonsi aso, yonsi asore. Yonsi asore. Oh, motoria narure bono. Yonsi namo yeso natuwa mirasore nyeti emewo koyense yesu mire asore Yonsi aso, yonsi asore. Yonsi aso, yonsi asore. Yonsi asore, o moboria narure bono. Yonsi asore narure bono. Yonsi namo yeso nimbe obotambe tiganyiwe omumoika mani aye no yone Yonsi aso, yonsi asore Yonsi aso, yonsi asore Yonsi asore, o motoria narure bono. Okay. Stanza yo mwelio ya kane. I don't have good vocal cords, chiogotera, but I'm trying. This is my hymn book, okay? Yeso bono namororiri mokobo toriwa toyi neria yao yaso yonsi yasore song number 168 Yonsi yasore Yonsi yasore o motoria narure bono. Karibu mwachire kanisa mwasore kanisa bono mambia aso otegererete ensengima nabakwaniri bono mambi tutaite ko gocha yega turakwanamo Kenya bweirire amangana akongire iska tocha mubuna bagusi tukwane tutware a real talk ebintu bya change iska tutaite tutebya abantu ba Minto ebintu on the ground ebintu bichenchete sana because rero Easter weekend so mama marika machenu ndaite gochakera igetabu yekegusi ombwate chibukwisa to yekegusi yegeswahili ne yegesongo bono ngo chakere kegusi ya tosome kuru igetabu Hosea namba chapter chapter 4 verse 6 yegoteba abantu bane nigo bagusirigwa ekiagera batari no kumanya ekiagera aye kwangire kumanya inche na inche ninkwange toba omukwani one ekiagera kwangire koigwa kero kwangire koigwa kwa tintaiti obo mukwani one because tutaiti koigwa amachikane inche nyasaye boigo na inche ninyange abana baho. Okay, igini kegusiye goteba ngaki ogote kwairwa amachiko kwangire koigwa tumenye gocha Swahili egesongo na kiuma itemo koigwa buraisi lakini tocha samaliko yegeswahili walimo koigwa Swahili. Hosea chapter 4 verse 6 hakika watu wangu watanyamazishwa kwa sababu hakuna ujuzi, kwa kuwa wewe mwenyewe umeukataa ujuzi. Mimi pia nitakukataa wewe usiwe kuhani kwangu, na kwa sababu unaendelea kuisahau sheria ya Mungu wako, hata mimi nitasahau wana wako. Okay, that is in Swahili. Okay, tusome maandiko kwa Kiswahili, and then wengi wenu ni wale mnapenda lugha ya Kiingereza. Most of you abagusimu anchite Igesongo na kiokorera abantu abangi bagochanga na kibakuigwa. Igesongo gegoteba in the book of Hosea chapter 4 verses 6. Okay, it reads like this: My people will be destroyed because they have no knowledge. You priests have refused to learn. Okay, so I will refuse to let you be a priest to me. You have forgotten the teachings of your God, so I will reject your children. Okay, so that is the scripture I want us to read from this morning. Abantu abagusi abakwanira mwensi asumugotoka amangana agasalegete, things on the ground, ebintu bisalegete. Urocha matuka amange ngo chagaga Facebook nyibwate chinsa chinyinge wono nonde nyomba ebintu bisalegete bobe wono. I want to bring news to you. People are dying. Abantu ngo kubale. The last day in Japan manyene na chete mirimo was March 19th. Kuru March 19th nonde gaiga nyomba. I am taking all the precautions to take. People are not taking this thing seriously. Wona iganza ko batebi, I have a friend of mine umukamba. Emyaka tu amanyirine emyaka menge sana gizacho to chama. Mokae iga gesigente ke yacha gitaka tebe kuna irangora taire tingora. Mokae gabu atemiremi tatako minyoka kurwe yemo uminyoka uchiye yende. Ekerate betu no buriro bwachire erete goseti. Ekero yeigete bona kuru tamanyiri nganga yaru etaka akanyorero borwaire agachakago chakonyora ngonyorero borwaire keregentu yatenenire ebimo byae byatenenire akairunya gitari korutare mbiri mpaka bono iga umuntu line ventile umuswatu ine ventile tari mintaba usi. I'm telling you, iregente ke very seriously. Abange baito, we are not taking this thing serious. This thing is serious. People are dying. We are telling you guys. I came here early and kabatebi, follow the news. Abantu bakule. Abantu bagende tego kwa oborwairo is real. Umusacho yetayari umusacho ye iga erega atigete meremo ekara motetinga yaya keye meremo umuswatu yakaranga yaya ngatigara akole meremo. Just 1 minute. Ngaya tiganda akole meremo na kwa akole meremo bono umuswatu oli meremo ekibesiri ali gukora eboli nga yali kuira tocha sebinto bwango totaito gosali chinsa chaka kwebanga bunanga kyoko kora in case go korwara gose in case go kwa abange baito oranyole ntubwate chiwil abande baito roche ntubwate plans manyanga bono ndege nchiri chikwenda Kenya onye kubwata abayibuli Kenya plan ya onereri kwamanyiri abayibuli ng'ebintu bya chenchiri babe prepared abayibuli mbategerere tegesa egesa is doing a very good job nabatebetinga tegerera news. Egesa is doing a very good job we educate abantu ko batebi what is happening the current situation. Osa kunyura there is a time abantu bali nga batanga ni bakwamete China. They called egesa bagakwana egesa abantu bali mu kubwati egesa bagatebanga ga kiturusi China bakalira turusi China bakaira abana bali bakababeke chinyomba gete bagachi bakaba quarantine. Bagateba yaya mba kuruga igan less Kenya gende chikuya abana bali. I don't even know yet. Osa abana bali bachite bakarusi ku China. What instructions na ande chaka go planning na if anything orarwara nga kyota gete in that planning wono tuamanyire nga nturi koira abantu Kenya tuamanyire nga bono nturi guchigoti ndege nchiyo chikoira abantu Kenya na cheki na nga yogotinde kuchimbera nchire buna bono ntuto bwate chimbera gaiga asina roro na tebire nga ntubono kendike sakoba ali no chimbera chiri no to guchitogoro bolimo initially na tagete ntinde kugaiga egento kere constant negento kekorokwe change ere na ere bintu bone bintu bya change abantu bali muri Nairobi na igure nga mwatebi gonye muri koira mebere yaba abantu bamino bwango nkoirwere bekulangata iga New York bachite bakalema chimbere bakakora mass burial bakabeka abantu bonse chimbere yemo bagatindeka. Imagine obugumo bwalire go, you cannot change that. We are in reality. This is current situation things. Abantu abange, they are not taking it serious. Haya kwa plani nanga kyogokora onye ko bwate ndagera onye ko bwate egento kende gyonsi obwate nyomba mwararingo buruiro bombo bwati muntu obwate bese kusota bwati bese onye kibese kichawo chiko gusuguma ku nyomba kichiko koiro chiko taya ya isiko, it is going to cost you your life. Buruiro bombo bwati muntu mutaka gose muntu tachiri chaka ko economico onye konye go utumia chinyanya ibere koruga tumie nyanya yemo onye konye go tumie getungu ekege makoruga tumie getungu enusu, because no production is been cut in half. Minto 20 people na iga toimoke to cut spending cheito in half oyo ntegererete ebine binto 20 people go practice inchoro chibona ene wiki ya gatatu nkaranstega iga naro chinga faida te yo ngende nchukuli yo boroire siko na mama no alega iga yo no nganche bwate mama tingo yenda mongina is 83 tiga kebe kige ko bachibese ndinga ingo cha koirango cha kuchinyora bona onye konye gutumie chinyanye bitunguo amabere endage konye ngo siake linye na matoke ebintu biri konye ngokora. You must spend your money wisely. You must cut your spending in half. Nande no twara chibese endage ite yeduka unabonekero astukonye tukugole ngoko okogenda meat mbali go kwango ko bako echingo ko ibere oko egwe goke triye yemo ko egwe nyame triye yemo. Cut your budget in half because crisis is coming. Na andi manya nkwa prepare ochagotinde kugaiga America, ngwa prepare otinde kwe Mombasa, ngwa prepare otinde ku Kisumu. Bono minto mutakire mu manyerero iga ngaso gokwera no gotinde kwa tema go chorege tiki aho nganga yote getobekwe. Umusubati oyo bono linyagitari obekire ventilator umusubati yo gabwa temere metato abangi nambale bali na abere ngo kwanira for so long abangi na bali batigeta basacha Kenya balega bakominyo kimerimo abangi na bali can you believe ngabangi na banemerimo bado bakominyo nursing from one nursing home to another. Can you believe nga abangi na bambego seti aba Kenya nga oburuire bwachiro ando oburuire obo obwatogeta nursing home no bole abangi na onye ko bwate mirimo konye itatu utale go kiyo mulimo yomo gosa mungina ndi bwensi olo noba abantu bali 65 plus oyino muntu kineti abana betenenerete kibese cyuko liginga yukoira emirimo ebere itatu onye ko bwate chi project suspend the project ngokwore otige kibese icyo nandi go otige kibese icyo because konye anyway otige to umusacho wanyome. Abangi na bali muri America moko minyokie emirimo slow down. Abantu bali moko irira abana go babysit chinyomba onye konye go babysit erigu kore nurse onye ngo go babysit eri abana gose kore doctor onye kore an essential worker kore mipango oleta abana babere na inche for the rest of the week you are going to work. Tiga koleta abana in and out of the home. Abangi na babako balendera abana nko bayita muri mwensi ponsi pina marwera ali moko rusie nursing home moko rusinya gitari tiga go drop no go pick abana every day. Rusi abana nyomba pakeli chisanduki bayire mne boarding school bono school nchiyo asomo le lyo mongino lyo mogotonye nyombe iba wanche iroleta abana tiga abana agali for a whole week. Tiga kwenda in and out of the house ngo itoro monginori. Na ande coronavirus televisible chonyerere nga namagokere umongino yobonoro chekera chite kwenda gaiga agocha gokwa konyuchire chi group omisato awetana no yoye yemo gende yende iga abantu mbali ngo ruchaka eto borwiro bono. It is real. So reduce your workload. Egento kende bwati chi amatangaso. Keep up with the news. Ekera abande batebe tukubuna beka chi mask bantu bandi mo begeti mask mwatebi ubeka chi mask beke mask Walmart achiduka cheikire chinde bono keroko gendororo babekire signing atoba sako sonye to begeti mask onye bagotebiri nga social distancing naro cy'abantu bandi mo bagokora chipati abandi bakoende chi group ekitwasoete cyogotenga abantu bali nyomba bagotwara chipati borwire bombuli bupagusa nga nyalebe onye mwatebiri kora social distancing please teba kora social distancing ngokuole weboli nga why didn't I listen? The Bible says you go for lack of knowledge. Aya wono goikuma ite turagire goikatuya mabere chaka korosie shopping list. Rosie shopping list ahead of time. Beke binto video tagete obeke inse list ekeraba aba umuntu uchukuye binto boye li binto limo obeke chiglove chiao obeke chi mask chiao obeke whatever protective gear ogenda okole shopping one time Leke lists of the necessities. Reduce your lifestyle level to the necessities. You cannot take risks. You cannot take chances. Abantu bandi they even coming to greet us nga bakondangeli nga wapitie tu. Where's pitia tu? You can't just pass by ngoche gaiga. Kwarari. Don't take risks. This is not the time. Borwaire is not an investment. We take risks to invest. Diseases are not an investment. Risky. And you know what's even concerning me the most? Healthcare workers abantu konye baokora in healthcare so long. Universal precautions. They are the most careless people out here. My co-worker called me to tell me, her husband is positive, but she doesn't even think she needs to take off because she can't afford to take off. If she takes off, how are we going to pay bills because we are not getting paid? These are healthcare workers. Abantu bachite school, wabugate degree, educated people, nurses, doctors, direct care workers, people who are doing home care. You're the people who have been dealing with germs. You're the people who have been dealing with infections. You are the same people who are going from group home to group home, house to house. You're passing infection from one person to another person. And you know very well how infections are passed from one person to another person. We must take the precautions. In fact, my friend, give it up because there is nothing we can do or body organs speech shut it down. Ekero umuganye to montago tebige siminga by the way umugako wono tariko yana no nyendagera wono tarikoli umenye kuroroko ligento. No, prevention is better than cure. Let us prevent the spread of the disease. How can people in America, healthcare workers in America, be the ones who are doing the most risky things? They are the ones who are moving around because you must move around. We have to help each other to save a life. And guess what? If your instincts are telling you Montoya is not taking precautions, stay away from them. Because umusacho yogante betinge mokaya atara bwatu negenteke igamo tetinga tubwata abana batatu twasomiri abana nichikole abana basometa aba engineer abana batatu nandi bachitkonyora abantu bange abana abantu bayibuli tu in the I think early 60s abana babo bakolite mirimo babwate nyomba, they are paying their own bills. Akamotebimna irangora nga yoko ira chibese nga chibese nandi chikanisa nchirora abantu bakali guchibako nyago support ngango gutomera nyarebe agutoleba nyarebe abasibati maite inu ne inu mo gutoma chisadaka mo kolemere mo nyasaye nali abasese nyasaye tatebe tyo endo itemere mo chugo kwemeremo ngabono teto kubune hiro nga naye warwite chibese chinyingi chibese cyabangi nabamoko kolemere mo mubwata abachukuru ngayimo ko ire chibese na ababulije amatuka mangi nga all this time muliga iga America mukuri chibese abandi mukora chi airport abandi ni chi group abandi ni chi nursing chibese chimukuri exactly ngayimoko chira. Now that uburuiri bwachire, you can't just think that you need to make adjustments, you make changes. Chibese chingo chitiga muri mu chitiga account, in fact mugo chitiga account because na chitoko cha gutumia to batindekere. So Minto, we need to move with change. The only constant thing in life is change. We all need to have a different mindset now. Kogo kuno ogotinde kwaso also menyete. chimbera bono manyanga yugo tinde kerwa sabantu baba bauche kokonyora inche na tuwa kwa nitino musani one togateba ali New Brunswick no chimbera chiri na otra endo ororo because chimbera chiri abakenya bande mbaroro on turo chirende parapanda gekobuga onyora abakenya bande mbalensemo because asinare mbere getega igatubwate abakenya bande babekiruta yari bono no tuligereti ebinto biri konye tu unenje konye ngata timba sa konyora ngo tinde kuga iga monto ta tinde kaga iga bono ntebi na kule nche ngo penino ngo chet endega ya nebwate kongira mpaka Kenya chikongira bukambe chikontinde kororo. There is nothing like that. Nga kinguru ga iga West Hampton nchenge Kenya. We must move with the change. And you know, when we come here and tell you people the truth, you don't like to hear the truth. Na ebilengo chaka yanko bateringa, this is the truth. The truth is we must change. Abandi bono mwabeire quarantine nyomba, mwanya kumanya mukao, nkwanya kumanya ngino, nkwanya kumanya mosacho, bono nichise ekitoteberete work together. If you have you've been doing money separate, this is not the time mogo to machipesa gochia. Ikananza na mukao, gamba no gako. This is the time to try and stay on a budget. This is the time to try and plan your future. I think even you can go online and update your will, because before you know it, you're not going to be there. So we are not going to live the way we usually live when we know that our life is about to end. Chibese chitoko linga itoko ira. Ama de maya kwa bere oko oranga yoko ira. Chibese oka tikete ya chi account Kenya nga kyoko cha uchikora. You are not going to get those things. Let us move with the change. Let us take this thing seriously. Disinfect your house. Clean your house. Wash your hands. Put on your gloves. Put on your mask. Nandi ba tebire na abiri nko batebya basacha babange mo sendete chindama. Chake na basacha. I give women a break because they've carried children for 9 months. Abasacha mbara abaiga mo sendete chinda so badly. And do not argue with me about chinde chichino. Those big stomachs will make you live this life again as a hell quickly. You need to get serious about losing that stomach. This is the time. A lot of people who are dying and these men had underlying health issues. Ekero sendetende liga, it is not something that you think it's good. That stomach is unhealthy. Take control of your health. Wake up every morning, even in your own house. Reduce your food intake. There is no way over sendende liga and it is okay. It is not okay. Unless you want to die. If you want to die, just keep eating. Split your food in half. Amasase, nonye mwanyolera bana. Nonye kwanyolera bana. Tiyakulisha chapati sano. You don't need 5 chapatis. Tiyakunyu chichaye bikombe bine. If it's sugar cut, onye nechi soda, masase mukungu onyolere bana tutakiryo soda. Chi soda tigera bana. Chi sukari tigera bana. Don't eat too much. You're eating too much and you're so fat. And you're not worried about your health. When you're fat, your whole body is interfered with. The blood circulation is interfered with. Your body organs are squeezed with fat. This is the time. It's not the time to shove food under your throat. This is the time to cut your food intake in half. This is the time to be active. Do something in the house. Help your wife. Your wife is running here, running there while you're sitting there with your big stomach with the tea with the remote. Ayega si aunu kwenye kuchichichano. Kwenye kubataiganga koko kora kwa bikirenda. No. Alafu koko didiwa kwa ligiri after kwa ralile binto wate banga njungo chaga iga wachaka wana mangana aliyote geto burugere. Nga kyuko burugera you are not active, you are not healthy. We are going to lose you men. Na andi ga America na ringa abantaba mwamu bago tebe na abantaba mwamu na baruwale tabange na andi intotore chi minority. Why? Because we don't follow simple instructions. So let us all come as a community. Let us take this thing seriously. In fact, story yangi kerenga abantu bande bakwerere maite bantu mbale gutiga gukwa abantu mbagenderete gukwa abantu bandi bakwereire omuntu gakwereire. You don't need to go visit the person. Things have changed. You're going to die. Ngo kolera mono mpaka you're going to go ngwende chikolera. Go kwenda kolera alafu ngo ucha kolera. If somebody has died, they have died. Call the other person and tell them you are sorry. Help them where you can and make arrangements to see how you can support them. Let us change the traditional way we've been mourning. If you don't move with the change, okay, you'll be left behind. You're going to die. You will perish. You are going to perish. You're going to die. This thing is real. This is not the time we run around about yani, how can all shops, how can all clubs, how can everything shut down? Golf course, no nyinichi food restaurants, they are shut down. Electronics, how can they all shut down? Why are they all shut down? You don't see the need to shut yourself down. Ask yourself. So Minto, let us take this seriously. So, as a summary, you need to get knowledge and educate yourself on how this disease is going around. Educate yourself. Know the facts. Know what can you do. What can I do to prevent this thing? Number 2, start planning. In case you die, where do you want to be buried? In case you die, who do you want to take your children? In case you die, where is the money that you've been keeping? Where is your titles? We need to know where the titles are. You have to tell somebody. We need to know these things. Be economical. BK. Eat one half a tomato. Eat half an onion. Be economical. Kabomogoko asik ebintu biryobwate no twara kibese kabomogoko te chiko kobera ekobeterio gende duko chikonya komyoke duka no twara kibese. The more oko enda isko, the more you put yourself at risk. Onye konye kobwate merimo chi group omisato keye group omweyem resign the other two. There's nothing wrong with resigning these jobs, because if you die they will replace you. They don't care about you. And in healthcare the demand is so high. In fact, they will call you for overtime. You're only turning the overtime down. Let the money not call you to the grave, because that money is going to put you in the grave. You understand? You don't want to go to the grave. You need to take it seriously. Yeah. You can take it serious. I'm not taking overtime. When they call you, just say no, thank you. Okay? Don't take risks. Your life is not an investment. Don't risk. We only risk to invest. Okay? And if something is telling you that I don't feel comfortable, don't go there. And the constant thing is change. And we have told you the truth. We must change. If we don't change, we are going to perish. Let us wash our hands. Not even just the orphanage. We need to support our children out here. We need to support the orphans that most of us have been supporting. Nimbwate these bracelets. Ntaitego chagaiga later. Mbaoroke. Abantu bali muri Team USA. Cheap bracelets, I'm selling them for $15. $5 is for shipping. $10 is going to go to the children in Keumbu Children Home. If we can get them out, so we can get them out on Monday, because the post office is still working. We can ship those things, and when you receive your package, open it with precaution. Don't just open it with precaution. The $10 we are going to receive from the bracelets that I have from, I'm going to bring Korbedu Kayane, is going to go to those children. Let us remember those children and pray for them. And if you have something small, give what you can. We'll do that tomorrow. We are going, not tomorrow, a little later today. Let us pray. We need to start praying. Okay, we need to start praying, because these things are bad. Omonenya sata tato wakirambia mona chinse chitwa chirego chagaiga bono mambi monene tokunyara kunyara abantu ba Minto ensengi monene kubwa mono monene abantu baita babusi torocha abandi batari kubwatia amachiko babere bakohewo monene tugusaba monene nyale gotokonya tuiranise tuchake go change tubwatia amachiko tuaire tuchake ko ba compliant monene ito tonyali gwesika tonyali kubwatia amachiko monene tonyali gutika konya gwetana na chinyomba chiabande kera marwira agenderete gaiga toiro burwiro seriously mone Nyasaye tata tugusaba onyali gutuigurira abantu bakure New York monene okweguchi namba kwasunyu kwegenda ngano bumaino monene abande singe ncho muntu batarakwa mbege neti ngo burwiro bombororo lakini burwiro bombororo mone Nyasaye tata bakonye banyali kuroro bamanyo monene bali bakora emirimo ebere etato monene abandi banyali gukei banyali kwira precautions monene anyekene nkero twakwana gitari gotoko twasabira nyali gutwabira na gotoro kincherere ndonge guchakarero monene tugocha gocha twasaba chiteka isano igane usikomi tugwakira mbia mono monene kwanyalire gotwabadiri ubyo gochaga igana gwakira mbia mono na gusaba monene ilio oburwiro bubwetara abantu bairane kawaida monene tute kunyura abantu bali n'enchara batabwati kende nonye bako abana babo monene monene ngocha torirero chinsagete tonyale kuba konia abantu ibintu bikebike tonyole chibes turageria abana bo monene because bono nonye mbarabwo mbabwati ngina mbabwatise into tokonyora butambo yokonyoro ba lakini monene nabo tokweli na gento geke tonyale ko abana baliendagira bali gente keko genda twasabira monene twabere na gotoro kincherere ndonge asama bira Kristo yero mutorito amen cheers guys.